Hello friends, so I'll show you this portable laser security alarm circuit working on a 3-volt button cell. Now if I put my hands on this to and fro going laser beam over here, you will see the yellow LED light lighting up and this electric buzzer getting on. I'll do it again. Alright friends, so now we'll do the reflection part of this red laser beam. So you can say the distance between this red laser beam reflecting and striking to the LDR could be a bit more, like by a few centimeters.